How to add or remove the Apple Watch mirroring widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the Add button. Once you're in an edit mode, tap on Add a control. Then in the control list, we scroll down to the motor accessibility section and tap on Apple Watch Mirror. So that will add the shortcut into your control panel. Now in here, you can drag on the handle to enlarge the widget or to make it smaller. And that's it. Now to remove the widget, simply open up the control center, then tap on the Add button, and then tap on the Remove button to remove the widget from the control center. To use or to turn on or turn off Apple Watch mirroring, simply just tap on the widget in the control center to toggle it on or toggle it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.